Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will guide you through the discovery of the new Linea 5.0 Smart Entrance Panel and the Home+Security app. With this video, you will learn how to make the most of your video door entry system directly from your smartphone to make your home even safer. Let's see how. First, download the Home+Security app from digital stores. Provide your name and email to the system manager, who will invite you to use the app. You will receive an email notification on your smartphone. Click on the access link contained in the email, and log into your Home+Security account. Or register if you don't have one yet. You can activate the lock directly from your smartphone by positioning yourself in front of the entrance panel, like this. It can be activated via Bluetooth.
Opening entrance.
In Manage User Information, you can update and customize the address book. Enter surname and name, and then press Confirm. You can create a message to be displayed on Linea 5.0 when you receive a call. Type the custom text and press Confirm. Click on Manage My Home. Select Manage Access Codes, and then click on Plus. Assign a name to the code, then press Next. Set the code authorization specifying duration, validity, access times, and the relevant entrance. And you're done. Always position yourself in front of Linea 5.0 with your smartphone, to automatically transfer all updates to the entrance panel. Additionally, you can invite other members of your household to use the same additional functions of the entrance panel. In short, with Linea 5.0 you manage entrances directly from your smartphone and have a home that is always connected and secure. Thank you for following us, and see you next time.